Is a Bronco Sport worthy to be called a Bronco? Now, this is the case for the Bronco Sport. The 2021 Ford Bronco Sport is a more compact sibling of the full-size Ford Bronco. Rolling off the line in a few months, depending on your build, the Sport can be a more affordable alternative too. And while the Sport is smaller and sleeker compared to its bigger brother, you can do nothing but marvel at how incredibly capable this sporty SUV is. Now ride with us for a deeper dive into everything the Ford Bronco can do, and why we believe it lives up to the Bronco legacy. Now I personally think that this Ford Bronco Sport is just amazing. It leaves me less for words, I can say. An awesome, capable SUV that's built wild. Now from the humble base package to the kitted out first edition, every vehicle bearing the Bronco name must deliver on 3 built wild principles. Extremely durable testing, elevated torture tests ensure toughness across thousands of miles in the toughest and harshest environments. It must have the go anywhere capability, the standard 4x4 and exclusive drive mode, and more class leading technologies to go over any type of terrain, known as the GOAT mode. Innovative design, ingenious innovation while honoring Bronco heritage, with the freedom to personalize the perfect vehicle for any style or adventure. This is the Bronco brand promise and the fundamental defining Ford Bronco Sport design. Let's look under the skin at a few key features that deliver on these goods, I would say. The Bronco Sport is tuned for off-road adventure. Tough on the trails, easy on the roads, the Bronco Sport is engineered to give drivers a smooth ride on their way to the sand, snow, mud, rooks that will test this SUV. 2 available EcoBoost engines also offer an impressive balance of efficiency, output, and torque for the smaller package. 4x4 capability. Of course, 4-wheel drive comes standard and tested and proven against every challenge Ford engineers drop in its path. Even better, intuitive operation makes it easy for entry-level adventure to go anywhere and do anything. The driver who's picked up the Badlands of the first edition model will enjoy the 4x4 featuring a twin clutch rear drive unit that can deliver power to a single wheel. If the other 3 wheels are up in the air, are stuck in the mud. You won't find that from anyone else in this class. And folks, that is just freaking amazing. The GOAT mode, GOAT. Sand, slippery, sport, eco, normal. Adventure can adjust the sport drive mode to match whatever environment you're tackling next. With a simple turn of a dial located on the center console, set the Bronco Sport's throttle response, transmission shift points, steering feel, and braking calibration to suit any surface. 2 bonus modes come with the Badlands in the first edition, the Mud Rut and a Rock Crawl. Amazing, folks, just amazing. It must have high performance off-road stability suspension. Now another short acronym for that is HOSS. High performance off-road stability suspension. Of course we leave the R out and just leave 2 S's. Now with a huge impact on the front independent McPherson strut type with coil spring stabilizer bar and twin tube hydraulics, which makes it amazing. Now, these are gas pressurized shocks. The rear feature the independent double lateral link semi-trailing arms with coil springs, stabilizer bar, and a monotube hydraulic gas pressurized shocks, including the isolated steel subframe with cast knuckles. Amazing. The HOSS system is going to give it the durability and the capability that it needs to go off-road. Best in class ground clearance. The Badlands in the first edition boasts an 8.8 inch of ground clearance, giving 3 models better approach, breakover, departure angles in any vehicle in their class. So no other vehicle could match the breakover, the departure angles in this class. Now both models also feature skid plates to protect the Bronco Sport underbelly. Adventure, rain to go anywhere, now have a clearance to make it happen. Standard models rise an impressive 7.8 inches too, making rough back roads a simple breeze. Trail control. Now imagine cruise control, but for low speed over the most rugged terrain. Available on Badlands in the first edition. The drivers can set their speed in 1 mile per hour increments. Forward or reverse, perfect for tight spots when steering demands your undivided attention. Boy, I tell you, Ford really thought about this. This is what's going to take the Bronco Sport off the map, folks. What a great choice. Form and function it must have. When we say innovative design, Ford meant it. The Bronco Sport design pays homage to history and looks good doing it. It's no slouch in the storage department either. Front now, bucket seats, 60/40 rear bench, comfortable seat, up to 5 passengers with the bench down. Straight out amazing, folks. The rear is tall enough to store 2 mountain bikes. Side by side, the Bronco Sport includes more than a few features to keep your gear protected and organized when you're out and having some mighty fun. There go the bikes, folks. You see it for yourself. This is an awesome SUV and an awesome entry level. Safari style roof. With a slight kick up at the rear, the Bronco Sport just looks like it belongs off the beaten path. But all that extra space is practical too, increasing headroom for backseat passengers and storage space for whatever cargo your next adventure demands. If you want to truly be ready for anything, the standard roof rails offer even more space for all your necessities. This is just amazing. Amazing to the core, folks. Storage. It must have amazing storage. It isn't just about space. Each Bronco Sport model comes with customizable storage solutions to accommodate the unique needs of any trek through the wild. The mold straps behind the front seats are perfect for hanging smaller outdoor accessories, ready at a moment's notice. There's even a hidden area below the second row on the Badlands models for storing muddy equipment. And look at this. This is amazing. As you see all the equipment, little things you can put your hat and everything else at. Durable mat. Durable mats on the back floor and even on the back seats. Boy, this Bronco is ready for business, folks. The Bronco Sport. Place where you can put your cups, your flashlights, everything. Amazing. Also has that amazing comfort for 5. Front row bucket seats and a 60/40 rear bench, comfortable, seat up to 5 passengers. Even better, the Bronco Sport seats are made of easy to clean material. For your messiest friends, family, pets, the drivers can even upgrade to leather seats with the outer banks. And the first edition, options. Options. We love options, don't we? Now power up the fun. Whether it's a satellite phone, an aerial drone, supportive espresso machine, The modern off-roader can power that devices with a 12-volt power point and 2 USB charging ports, all standard on the base model for the truly tech incline. Other packages include one of the more 110-volt power outlets to keep all your high-tech gear up and running, folks. Got your drone, you can even charge all this. You ready for action, folks, in the Ford Bronco. Can it be called a Bronco? Yes, it can. Can we build it? Yes, we can. I just had to say that. Maybe the Bronco Sport can't do everything as full-size family members can, but there's little doubt this more compact option rises to the top of the class. Intuitive features, cutting-edge technology, and a smooth ride on or off the trail, all at a comfortable price point. The Bronco Sport will make the wild accessible to a new generation of adventurers. And that's what the Bronco heritage is all about. So folks, as you can see, it does live up to the expectation of the Ford Bronco. Let's take a look at some of these pics. Just look at that beautiful space. Look at the nice mats that come with this. And that's a nice color combination as well. You got the 3-spoke steering wheel. And look, you also have the kicking Bronco. And believe me, it is kicking high. So watch out, don't get kicked in the face. This is one bad SUV. You even got the Bronco kicking on the seats. This is one badass SUV, folks. You gotta love it. Nice display. Cup holders. You even got the light switches up here by the mirror and everything. This is really nice. I was looking for the toggle switches. If it had that, oh boy. What? Just give you thoughts. You got the GOAT mode, the go anywhere modes. This is what Bronco was known for back in 1966. It was known as the GOAT. You got the compartments underneath the seats where you can stash stuff at. You put your dirty stuff in there, you can just leave it and take it out later. Oh boy, you got the overbanks, the outer banks. You got the camping going on. You got a ladder and everything. These are all accessories you can give with this baby too. Space, space, space. You got digital instrument clusters. Nice display. And nice. A place to put your bikes. You can pull them along. That's the first edition. Nice blue color. Place to put your bikes. You put your gear on top.
Perfect.
I was looking for the door just in case you know it's right on top. It doesn't open up like the Big Brother, but definitely nice. There it is on top of the rocks. Like my Bronco Sport on rocks. Shaken, not steered. Steered. Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.
If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more interesting videos.